Hi everybody, David Lewis here. On our DLA online training portal, we have an entire series titled Common Mistakes Salespeople Make. And today I want to share with you one of those mistakes. And that mistake is hanging around with negative people. Negativity is the mother of all disasters. It drives you down. You become a product of the environment that you're surrounded in. You know, they've done studies in the past where they've taken twins at birth and put them in two totally separate environments. And at the end of a 20, 30, 40-year period, you had two totally different people, even though they both had the same DNA. They were a product of their environment. So every day when you go to work, think about the people you hang around with. Are they negative? Are they positive? Do they give you what you need to be successful? Are they encouraging you? Are they helping you? Are they making you a better person? In business, they state, if you want to be successful, hang around with successful people. Well, the same is for car sales. If you want to be successful, then hang around with successful people. Learn from successful people. See what successful people do and repeat it and put it in your personality. And guess what? You too will become successful. So again, take those negative thoughts, those negative environments, and those negative people and remove them from your environment. And guess what? You will become more successful. Good luck, everyone.